Kachafla. Don't I go? Tell me. CH. O-double-F. Acha. What is the other name of? There are how many laws are there?
Two.
There are two laws. There are right or no? There are two laws. Right or no? There are two laws. First one is first law, right? First law or current law or junction law. Write down neatly. Junction law. Right? Junction law. What is the junction law? Who tell the definition of junction law? Who can tell definition of junction law? Tell me definition of definition of junction law. Tell me what is the junction law? Tell me. Whoever only one can give the answer. Chappo. Na.
The algebraic sum of.
Without seeing book, the algebraic sum of the algebraic sum, but not general sum. This is algebraic sum of the algebraic sum of what are that? What is it? Tell me.
Current passing through a junction.
Current passing through a junction. Through a junction. Through a junction is equal to
The current passed by.
The current passed by. Passing through a junction is the current passed by.
Is equal to 0.
Current passed by
Is 0.
Passed by is equal to 0 or is equal to 0. Here also is equal to 0.
Is 0, not equal to 0.
Is equal to 0. Means is equal to 0. What is junction? What is algebraic sum? The difference between sum and algebraic sum. We have learned in a quadratic equation. Algebraic sum. That is what is that? Algebra sum is equal to. Sum is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Algebraic sum is equal to. What is that? Plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 3 is equal to 0. That is algebraic sum. Minus 2. Here also, what is this? 3. This is the algebraic sum. Isn't it? Algebra sum is means it includes move that side. It includes plus and minus operators. Positive and negative operators. Positive and negative operators. Listen it. Why do you call it? Plus and minus is there. Here only addition. This is algebra sum means it equates to 0. What is the figure here? What is the figure? How much is? Add it and tell me how much is I6. I6 tell. I5 is I have given 6 amps. Tell me. What is 3 amps minus negative. The next plus 2 amps plus 6 amps is equal to 0. Is it correct or not? It should be balanced. What should you do? Change it. 6 plus 2, 8. Here, if you change this plus, then you will get this. 6 plus here. Here minus 6a minus 2a. Is it equal or not? See it. See now. Minus, this is change into this minus and 2 also change into minus 2. Here minus 2 is there. There. Then 3 to 3 again. This also change into plus. Then it will be equal. That is the junction law. Right or the sum of right general form. The sum of all the algebraic currents. The sum of all algebraic currents. Positive currents is equal to negative currents. The incoming approaching to the currents approaching to the junction is equal to currents approaching to the junction equal to currents departing to the junction. Approaching, departing. వచ్చేయి పోయేయి ఈక్వల్ అనేది దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్. వచ్చేయి పోయేయి దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్. దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? What is that? What is that? First law or current law, junction law. Why it is called current law? It calculates current. Here the algebra summation is related with current. That's why it is called current law. Now, second law or voltage law or voltage loop law. That is loop. There are loops in this loop law. Voltage are the change in voltage are equal. Change in voltage are equal in this. There the current incoming is equal to outgoing is 0. Incoming is equal to outgoing 0 in current law. Here change in voltage is equal. Change in voltage is equal at the junction. What is that? Positive. What is that? What is the loop? Tell me name. A, B, C, D, E, F, A. This is the first loop. Okay. How do you find? I can tell you easy trick. You will have to listen it. Don't talk. Very important lesson. Here you will have to maintain a clockwise loop. One loop. Make a clockwise loop inside. Clockwise loop to maintain one clockwise loop. This is the clockwise loop. Maintain. Do draw it. This is what is this? You will have to draw in this way. In the battery, what is the mark? In the battery, what is the mark? Here. I is there. Here I is there or not? Here I is there.
Anti-clockwise.
Here see. Here current. I mark which side it goes. I mark the side only.
Left side.
This in this go it is. Okay. This is what is this? This is I. What is this here?
I.
E. What is this here? E positive to negative. Array don't talk. Positive to negative. అంటే సేమ్ సైడ్ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్. ఫస్ట్ రైట్ లూప్ ఆన్ దిస్. ఏంటి వి ఎన్ని ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? కౌంట్ ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. 1 2 3 4 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, 2 బ్యాటరీస్ అండ్ 2 రెసిస్టర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఆ ఫస్ట్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి, ప్లస్ పాజిటివా నెగిటివా? సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ అయితే పాజిటివ్. అర్థమైందా? లూప్ సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్ అయితే పాజిటివ్. ఎలాంగ్ మీన్స్ హియర్. హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ మార్క్? దిస్ ఈస్ ద మార్క్. పాజిటివ్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ టు నెగిటివ్. పాజిటివ్ టు నెగిటివ్ కమ్. పాజిటివ్ ఆర్ నెగిటివ్ సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్.
Negative.
సేమ్
Negative, sir. Current going left side.
కరెంట్ కాదు ఇక్కడ. ఇక బ్యాటరీ.